Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the publicity around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local cryptographic money, Uniswap, UNI, in September 2020. The symbolic cost blast, and in several days, UNI previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What is the eventual fate of UNI digital currency, and what is a really conceivable Uniswap cost forecast? Figure out in this video amazingly. What is Uniswap? In 2021, the UNI token began its exhibition stunningly, alongside the entire digital currency market in a significant manner. In January, UNI's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The truly token cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes, especially live in the gadget beneath. Why did the Uniswap project blast last year, which is genuinely huge? As a matter of some importance, reasons are the stage's ease of use and combination with the MetaMask wallet incredibly. Besides, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys in a significant manner. The other DE's points of interaction basically were not quite so natural as the Uniswaps. So a robotized market creator has a publicly released code. There basically is no structure book or any mediators. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap essentially depends on the AMM, automated market maker, framework. Liquidity is made by pools with the RC20 tokens, which is very huge. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses are diverted to the pool's safe store. UNI holders generally get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the principal project with AMM, however it most certainly promoted the improvement of this heading, pretty because of which especially other comparable conventions started to show up. Uniswap is a huge gas provider on the Ethereum network because of the various exchange expenses in this convention. Notwithstanding, it turned into an issue of late. The Ethereum convention expenses became tremendous, however the Ethereum group has previously been searching for an answer for the versatility issue. UNI technical analysis. The cost activity in a real sense has been illustrative alongside the entire crypto market for the kind of beyond couple of months in a significant manner. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third rendition, Uniswap v3. As per the clients by means of the trading view stage, who in a real sense are responsible for the Uniswap specialized examination, anticipate UNI certainly token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year in an unpretentious manner. They say that the individuals who contribute now fundamentally get 3x benefit. All things considered, exceptionally bullish. Uniswap price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $10.13. The greatest level that the UNI cost can in a real sense reach is $11.43. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $10.57. UNI price forecast for August 2022. In light of the value variances of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical UNI pace of $9.40 in August 2022. Its actual least and greatest costs can be anticipated at $8.59 and at $9.67, individually. September 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Digital currency specialists sort of are prepared to report their figure for the UNI cost in September 2022, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The base exchanging cost may be $9.32, while the most extreme could reach $10.04 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap could generally be around $9.68. UNI price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value vacillations of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal UNI rate they sort of foresee may be around $9.87 in October 2022. It can drop to $9.42 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $10.52. November 2022, Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the UNI cost will be exchanged at $10.17 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $10.92. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $9.72 in November 2022. UNI price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are genuinely prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $10.57, which is very huge. The most reduced and top UNI rates may be $10.13 and $11.43 incredibly. Uniswap price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the fundamentally least cost of Uniswap will especially be around $14.69. The greatest expected UNI cost might be around $17.64, or so they thought. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $15.22 in 2023. Uniswap price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying sort of least and most extreme costs, about $21.08 and $25.69, separately without a doubt. The typical expected exchanging cost is $21.69. Uniswap price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base UNI cost could drop to $30.73, while its greatest can reach $36.75, which is very critical. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $31.82. Uniswap price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying genuinely most extreme and least UNI costs are normal in 2026, $53.39 and $44.07. By and large, it will be exchanged